handsome.
Yeah,
And
me handsome.
you handsome as well.
Okay, you also you handsome.
But also really.
Also?
to climb.
Oh, I thought that it's only in the movie, but in the real life also you are.
In real life.
So you are the hero in real life.
Huh? Yes.
Sumkai ini kiperlok. Kani kadai ka pung wikian. Kapung wikian kadai kata kapung mensua kadai tak siap sudang ni. Nang ta udon tiu la subon bahap pok nyong kani kapung. Nang ta kipareng kiti ya ka. Kiti hadu bakan de jeliu. Kin nomlap kan nang ti unang Hiar siapa kan nang ti unang Hiar siapa. Kasakala jeliu hadu mata kum ni. You need to guy way. Oscar. Good. Your turn is done. You finish swimming. Long no snow bang apa pi ajingi ane kapung. Bat ka khuj mo kane kapung jongi siner ka khuj ba pi. Dah pilih cewek jaka apa ni tang plastik lai mah. Sini pate.
Khang no bang rak plastik sini.
Dei nak kadawa. Dei nak kadawa bun kini ki lun am. Lun khoi lo di kini ki jabok thiam.
Yes.
Oh, bentar deh, don't but me away guy. From where are you?
From Germany.
Oh, Germany.
Yes.
Nice. I like Germany. I have so many friends in Germany.
Have you?
Konrad Zimare and Distin Lichi and Adelaken. Yesterday also she messaged me. Oh, nice. I like Germany. I love Germany. So that's why you are handsome guy from Germany.
Thank you.
And then I will ask you some question. How you feel? How you feel our place?
Oh, it's amazing. I would say it's the one of the most beautiful villages I have ever visited because it's so nature, without roads, without any noise.
Oh, thank you. Nice.
It's really beautiful. Yes, and the families are really handsome.
Yeah,
and
me handsome.
You handsome as well.
Okay, you also you handsome.
But also really nice. Yes.
Yes.
Or really helpful and open. For tourists like me, white like me.
Yes.
Very white.
Oh yes, very white. But I'm brown, huh?
You're
Brown or black?
Yeah.
Me. I'm
Brown.
Brown.
Right.
Oh, your hair. So I like your hair. It's golden hair.
Golden hair.
But mine is black hair. It's black hair, like pig.
Yeah.
You are your hair
In
is like
Germany,
sheep,
this
like
hair is like brown, dark hair. In
brown, dark
Germany,
hair.
usually they have lots of light, bright hair.
But I like it because it's like sheep hair.
Like sheep hair.
Me like pig hair. Pig
So
hair.
I look like a sheep, you say?
No, your hair I like because it's brown like the hair.
Like curly.
Yeah, soon you will see the video. He is very good in professional in climbing. Very like weightless. Huh?
I like rock climbing. I'm working as a tree climber as well.
Tree
but
climber.
I really like rock climbing. Little tiny rock.
Also?
To climb.
Oh, I thought that it's only in the movie, but in the real life also you are.
In real life.
So you are the hero in real life.
Huh? Yes. Maybe
Yes.
in this waterfall, we just measured the waterfall.
Okay, when?
How high it is.
Oh,
About
how high?
97 meters.
97 meters. That Kshaid.
Yes.
Oh.
So maybe you can just rappel down with a rope, and maybe you can try to climb that.
No, I can, but I want to see when you climb there.
Yes.
Okay, when will you come and climb there?
I don't know. Maybe the next month, like in the
Next month.
3
Okay, we'll see. I also will try. I will try, but
You can rappel down with the
Oh.
rope. Like
Oh, you-
just like leveling yourself down. On the waterfall.
okay, I will try. Will come and try with you because you come again in my village, right?
Yeah.
You come again here,
I
and
think
you will with morning, eh?
With my morning and a friend of mine.
A friend of
He's
yours.
right now in Thailand.
Oh, now he is in Thailand, and he also from Germany.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, guy.
Kublai.
Kublai. Ya tanwai ông. So this legend. Hey, Pak Legend. Hey. Đây next thing in nhà lấy kêu nó thì Kshaid. Và đây là ông Oscar và Oscar là ông mình kêu thì Kshaid. Thì sa ngisiawan lang. But Philippine kêu ông.
The best guide from Meghalaya.
Yes.
You don't know yet?
And
How you know?
best friend of mine, no, since before. 5 years, 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Yes, we are
18, huh?
best friend, yes.
yeah.
Since 18.
First time I came here on my own,
Hmm.
and he's a club called Kshaid.
Yes. I am the president of the club. So he came here. That's why.
It's also not easy to get him
yes.
as a guide because he's a busy person. It's really exclusive.
Oh yes, he's very busy person, right?
Book before you meet.
You have to book before you meet.
Really important.
Really important guy. I know. He's very busy guy.
But you will
So next-
get in touch for a few months before you come,
Oh,
right?
let's go here for a few months. Yeah.
No problem. Oh, thanks guy. See you. We will see when we do cliff climbing, huh? Okay.
Okay.
We'll see this guy again. Oscar. Yes.
For rappelling.
Wonderful rappelling. And rappelling. Oh, they call rappelling. But I don't know.
You
Now I
rappel
know.
down like.
Oh yes, now I know. Rapper down. Rapper down.
Everyone should be safe.
Okay. Thank you, bye. Thank you, bye.
Bye.
Bye.